Welcome to our quick guide on how to delete temporary files in Windows 10 or 11. Method 1. Empty temporary files with Windows settings. First, click on the Windows logo key and click Settings. Then navigate to System and Storage. Now, click on Temporary Files to start scanning for details on the temporary files stored. Once the scan is complete, check the Temporary Files and Temporary Internet Files option. Finally, scroll to the top of the page and click Remove Files to delete those temporary files from your Windows 10 system. Method 2. Get rid of temporary files with iSunshare File Deletion Genius. Firstly, download iSunshare File Deletion Genius through official website. Then install and launch it. Click on Junk File section. Then the Scan button. Wait a few minutes for scanning. Here you can see all the files can be cleared. Click on the lower triangle button to view more details for the temporary files. Click on Next or Previous to view the files lists. Click the folder icon to view the temp files in File Explorer. Click the Clean button here to clean the temporary files only. Or you can close this window. Check multiple file types you want to delete. Then click on Clean to delete them at the same time. And that's it. You've successfully removed temporary files to help optimize your PC's performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.